We have exciting news. We have added some capabilities to do additional filtering criteria for who you want to send your single run campaigns to. And just as a reminder, this is your one time marketing message that you send out. And how I got here, again, as another reminder, is agency all locations, then selecting the agency that I want. So, as a reminder, you would want to go in and edit what you want your message to say, test it to make sure you're happy with how the message looks. But then to show you the additional filters you will see here is always you will be able to filter by company or just ignore the filter by client status, policy status. But the additional feature that we've added in here is adding the capability to filter by policy type. So let's say I just wanted to send out a message to my clients that have a personal auto policy with me, and then also maybe, let's see, maybe also an umbrella policy, let's just say. So you can filter by different policy types. And then once you have this set up by the criteria that you would like, you can just send. So we hope this is going to be a useful new feature at your agency. Please reach out if you have any questions.